Good morning. So we had purchased our OI shares, Owens, Illinois. Now we have our a quick gain. We were right in the market. So the earnings report came back fairly positive, as you can see. We're up. Actually, we're up over 5%. Trading with RBC, a cheap account. They actually got quite a bit of a delay in the morning. But what we're going to do to possibly maximize our gains, since it keeps rising, so we're going to sell, but we're going to put it in an order. So we have 73 shares, and as you see here, the stock price at RBC is $17.73 when it's actually $17.83 as we speak. So we can put a stop order in at $17.73 with 73 shares. $73. So we'll go here. Stop limit. So the price 17, we'll go 72, and then you want to do the stop limit. There's three options here, but you want the stop limit because then the trigger price will only trigger there, and it'll get you out in here. It won't just open up as market. This is a key. You want both of these in, and this has to be a lower amount than this. I usually like to go a couple cents lower, just so it gives it some room. So I'm gonna go 69. Gives me about 3 cents or so, and then I'm gonna watch the price at RBC to see exactly, like, the stock right now is actually moving up quite a bit. It's at $17.94 now. We're up 6.5% as of market right now. So this trigger shouldn't get hit. It's in a practice account, so I don't really know, but this is the proper way to maximize your gains without getting emotions involved. Like, it's at 6.5% profit right now, and if you just want to sell out to get that profit, or you can put this limit in so it takes away more of the emotion. So once it starts dropping, you're out. You're not looking at yourself when it's starting to go in the red possibly, and you're like, oh, I wish I would have sold out when it was at 6% plus, right? It happens all the time. So this is a safe way the computer does it, takes the emotions out of it. And then you trail it. So the price continues to go up. I will come back and I will show you how to trail the stock. So we still own our shares. Now the price at $17.91. See, it's jumped up. $17.91. So what we're going to do now, since it jumped up on here, sometimes this lags about 15 minutes. It actually won't show your profits at RBC till about 15 minutes into your thing. So now we're going to go check my orders. See here, it's still open. Our limit fees in there. So what I'm going to do is bump it up to maximize our profits, right? We're going to trail it. So I'm going to change this to 80. I'm going to go like 84. And then I'll bring this to 81. There we go. Continue. Oh, it's not going to let us. Must be lower. It must have kicked down. See, it will only let you put it in if the price is lower. It did say $17.91 there, so no, we made it through. That's the thing, it will only let you do it if the price is higher. So back to my holdings. Still on the shares. Price is at saying $17.90, so it should have put us through in $17.84. But we'll ride this out for a bit, and I'll let you know how it comes out if it keeps advancing in price. It's at $17.93. Then I'll come back if it goes to in the $18 range. I'll come back and I'll put this up to in the 90s. Okay, I'm back here, and as you can see here, Owens is now up 1804. It's actually up close to 1814. So what I'm going to do is keep trailing. So go back to check my orders, modify, 73 shares, back up to, it was 1804, we're going to do 1803, go 18.00, continue. Oh, it's not going to let us. 1802. There we go. And that's how we trail our profits up. So once it starts to go down, sometimes it'll go down before we can get a chance to look or see it, because it everything's got a little bit of a delay. Still in it. And yeah, that's how we trail our stock, and hopefully it keeps running. We'll keep moving up our stop limit. Okay, so the stock is running up. It's about 1840, but as you can see, RBC is lagging, so it's 1817. And I do choose RBC because it's a really simple, easy account. And the trade fees, like if you trade a lot, it goes down to $6 flat rate. I got to go back, check my orders, modify. Actually, I've seen 1818, so I'm going to try 1817 now. Nice, so let us go through with it. Stock sitting at 1841. So hopefully we're going to be able to jump it up here again. 22, yeah. It jumped up to 21. And all these little cents, like, they add up a lot. Like, every time we're doing this, it's about another 0.5% to 1%. So 19. And it kind of guarantees you the profit, especially on a high trade day like today. Should jump up into the 30s. I'm going to get it into 1830. 25, we'll let that sit for a bit. Try refresh. Yeah. See what the stock's doing. Yeah, it's running 1847. Yeah, I'll come. Okay, so we're back. It's sitting at 1842. As you can see, RBC here, 1838. So I'm gonna edit it, but I want to keep about like a 9-10 cents down from its high right now. So I'm gonna try to 40 or 35. Just to give it some room in case it's gonna just pull back a little bit. And we're only dealing with about 0.5% from the tie, so 1%. Oh, it's running at 46 now, so And we can do this all right from our cell phone, which is the great thing about it. Yeah, it's at 1847. Modify. It's saying 39, so I'm going to bring this up to 38 now. It's the most I've had to really work. The stock's kind of slowly but surely moving up. But I'm definitely going to maximize my profits here. It's not going to let me. Must have just creeped down the delay. Let's go with 37. There we go. 37 is pretty comfortable. 10 cents down from its high right now. And I'll come back here and I'll see. Yeah, we're good. I don't want to put my other account on here. Good. So here we go. Saying 38. Yep. So pretty much up 9% right now overnight, just from buying the last 5 minutes of last close and about an hour and a half to the morning, which is a solid gain. Okay, so we're out of our shares. I go to check my orders. It was dropping. It sold me out of my personal account, but for some reason this practice account just was not wanting to sell. So I thought I was recording, but I sold out as market when it was sitting right around 35-ish, as it was dropping down from the 1840s. So I just sold that market. But as you can see, just following it up, having these in place, it sold me out of my personal account. I think I got 1837 in the price. But yeah, successful day. It's a great way to learn how to do the stop limits, to keep moving them up, trailing your profits as the stock keeps moving up. Alright, I'll be back soon for AD&T buy.